How do people actually figure out what job and career path is right for them? How do I find jobs that I will actually like? And how do I discover my strengths? Well, introducing How to Find a Job Without Experience, K-12 Career Series. I'm Madeline Mann. You may recognize me from Self-Made Millennial, my award-winning YouTube and TikTok channel, and I'm also a human resources leader who has helped thousands of people land jobs. And I will answer all of that and more in our Discover Your Career session. In this workshop, you'll learn the 3 most important elements to choose a good job for you. How to discover your strengths and skills and align that with opportunities you pursue. And if you don't think you have any skills or strengths, I'll give you a tool to unlock the answers. Then we will put all of that together and show you how to find these great jobs, sometimes in unlikely places. This session will give you so much more confidence in your direction. It's confusing, it's daunting, but I'm right here to give you the proven steps that have helped thousands of people on their career journey.